Hey everyone! Welcome back to our DSA Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the largest element in an array using Python. The problem is simple. Given an array of integers, we need to find and return the element that has the greatest value. For example, consider the array 3, 7, 5, 9, 4. In this array, the largest element is 9 because no other element is greater than 9. Let's look at two different approaches to solve this problem. Approach 1, sort array and find maximum. In this approach, we sort the array in ascending order. Once the array is sorted, the largest element will be at the last index. Let us write the code. Define a function find underscore largest underscore by underscore sorting that takes array as parameter. Use Python's built-in sort function to sort the array. The sort function sorts the array in place. Access the last element using index -1 and return it. Call the find largest by sorting function and pass an array 3, 7, 5, 9, 4 as argument. Print the returned value. Run the program. The function returns the largest element, 9. To summarize this approach, we used in-place sorting using the sort method and returned the last element. Time complexity is O(n) log n, since sorting takes O(n) log n time. Space complexity is O(1) if the sort is done in place. The second approach is to find maximum in single pass. This is a more efficient method to find the largest element. Instead of sorting the entire array, we can simply go through each element once and keep track of the largest number we've seen so far. Let's go through the steps. Initialize a variable called max_element with the first element of the array. Loop through the rest of the array. For each element, if it's greater than max_element, update max_element. Current number is 7, and max element is 3. Since current element is greater than value in max element, update max element with the current number. Go to next element. Current number is 5, and max element is 7. Since current element is not greater than value in max element, do nothing. Go to next element. Current number is 9, and max element is 7. Since current element is greater than value in max element, update max element with the current number. Go to next element. Current number is 4, and max element is 9. Since current element is not greater than value in max element, do nothing. Go to next element. The loop ends. Max element will contain the largest value. Let us write the code. Define a function find underscore largest underscore single underscore pass that takes array as parameter. Initialize max_element with first element in array. Write a for loop that iterates from second element in the array and for each element, check if current number, num, is greater than the value in max element. If the current number is greater than max element, update the max element with the current number. After the for loop, return the max element. Call the find largest by single pass function and pass an array 3, 7, 5, 9, 4 as argument. Print the returned value. Run the program. The function returns the largest element, 9. To summarize this approach, we scan the array once, comparing and updating the maximum as we go. Time complexity is O(n), since we loop through the array only once. Space complexity is O(1), because we're using just one extra variable. To summarize everything, you can find the largest element in an array either by sorting it and picking the last element, or by scanning it once and tracking the maximum. The second approach is more efficient and is preferred in real-world scenarios. If this video helped you understand how to find the largest element in an array using Python, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly DSA tutorials.